Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change Mazda CX-3 key battery easy guide. Pry open the key fob seam gently with a flat plastic tool. Remove the old CR2025 battery, note orientation, and insert the new battery positive side up. Snap the two halves back together, test the buttons, and verify the car recognizes the fob before finishing. Take your time and work methodically to avoid damage. Begin by sliding out the emergency key, then locate the seam and use a plastic pry tool to open the fob. Carefully lift out the old CR2025 battery with a non-metallic implement to avoid shorting. Compare the new battery orientation to the old one and place it positive side up. Press the case halves together until they click, reinsert the emergency key, and test the remote functions to ensure success. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like. It really helps the channel grow. Quick recommendation: I use these leak-proof meal prep containers bento box, which are great for organizing small parts and snacks while I work on cars. They make cleanup simple. Check the description for the product link and other deals so you can grab a set. Thanks for watching. Now let's get back to the video. After closing the fob, stand near the vehicle and press lock, unlock, and panic to verify normal operation. If responses are weak or inconsistent, reopen the case and ensure the battery sits flat and the contacts are clean and free of corrosion. Use a multimeter if available to confirm the new CR2025 has adequate voltage. If issues persist, try another new battery or consult a dealer for diagnostic support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.